Hello friends, welcome to my channel Doctraveller MN. In this episode, we will explore the Kaimur hills of Bihar. We will visit Maa Mundeshwari Temple, the beautiful and magnificent Karkatgarh Waterfalls at the border of Bihar and UP, and the supremely beautiful Karamchat Dam. Hope you like this episode. Stay tuned. Good morning from Sasaram. It's 25th of August today morning, 6:08 a.m. It's a beautiful Sunday morning and this is the view from my hotel window. Lush green paddy fields seen everywhere. It's 8 a.m. and we are in the dining room for breakfast. The view outside is beautiful and it's a uniquely beautiful sunny day. We have come for breakfast which is complimentary with the room tariff. We booked the hotel on booking.com. Breakfast was served with poha, puri sabji, banana, omelette and tea. It's 8:30 a.m. and we are ready for the day after a sumptuous breakfast. Our first stop of the day is Maa Mundeshwari Temple, which is 62 kilometers from our hotel and it will take about 2 hours. We will drive on the GT road or Asian Highway 1, reach Kudra Lalapur flyover from where we take a left turn towards Bhabua road, drive straight till we reach Bhagwanpur from where we take a left turn to finally take a right turn towards Maa Mundeshwari Dham Marg to finally reach the temple. We are proceeding towards Sasaram Chauraha. Approaching the flyover. You can see the Sasaram railway station in the distance. This is the Sasaram Chauraha and it is about a kilometer from our hotel. This is the center of the town and the station, bus stand, everything is located close by. There are also a lot of hotel options here. We take a right turn and proceed on GT road. This road is also GT road. Mark this red gate. This is the diversion which you need to take to approach towards the GT road or the bypass road or the AH1, that is the Asian Highway. Proceed on this road and now we are approaching the GT road. Take a left turn to drive on the GT road. We need to take a right turn from here and then proceed straight on the GT road. We have reached the Kudra Lalapur flyover and now we need to take a left turn. We are on Kudra Bhawa road now. It is almost 10 a.m. and we started at 8:30 a.m. The road is beautiful through lush greenery and paddy fields. We are in Kaimur district now. After crossing Bhabua bus stop, we will now take a left turn towards Bhagwanpur road. The drive was truly enchanting. Green trees, clear sky, lush paddy fields. It was indeed a memorable ride. We are still on Bhagwanpur road and we will drive straight. Now we will take a right turn on Maa Mundeshwari Marg. Note the black gate. This is the first gate to the temple. The board on the left hand side shows that the temple is 4.5 kilometers from here. The drive to the temple was indeed beautiful. Green hills, paddy fields, canal by the side. The drive was truly enjoyable. This is the second gate to the temple. This is the base of the temple and you need to buy your puja offerings from here itself. There are no shops near the temple. We came to this shop to buy our puja offerings from this lady. She was indeed nice. Lots of shops were available here and you could choose to buy from any one of them. After buying our puja samagri, we proceeded towards the temple. This is the final gate to the temple, and this road is under the forest department. The last kilometer to the temple is steep and many devotees prefer to walk as well. This road is under the forest department. You can see the steep uphill ride towards the temple. We have reached the temple and we need to park our car first. It's almost 11 a.m. in the morning. It took us 2.5 hours to reach the temple. Entry gate to the temple. You need to deposit your shoes here, which is free of cost. It's a climb of about 25 to 30 small steps to finally reach the temple. We proceeded slowly. The entry to the temple has been shaded for devotees. This temple is maintained by the ASI since 1915. The temple is situated on Mundeshwari Hills in Kaimur Plateau. The ASI has dated the structure to 108 CE, making it the oldest Hindu temple in northern India where prayers are still offered. The temple is built of stone and is on an octagonal plan, which is rare. It is the earliest specimen of the Nagara style of temple architecture in Bihar. There are doors or windows on all four sides and small niches for the reception of statues in the remaining four walls. At the entrance of the temple, you can see the curved images of Dwarpalas. The temple is made of thick and solid stone. Photography inside is prohibited. The main deities in the sanctum sanctorum of the temple are of Devi Mundeshwari and Chatur-mukha four-faced Shivalinga. Maa Mundeshwari is another form of Maa Durga. This is the Chatur-mukha four-faced Shivalinga, very rare. Devotees light agarbatti and tie red cloth for wish fulfillment here. Shiva and Shakti together are worshipped in this temple. Originally known as Maa Mundeshwari, that is Maa Durga, which over time degenerated, has now become Maa Mundeshwari. The shikhara of the temple has been destroyed. Chinese scholar Huan Sang mentioned about this temple in his writings 1636 to 38 AD. The temple premises is well maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India. There is another Shivalinga here where we offered coconut water to seek his blessings. The entire premises is tidy with benches and trees for devotees to take rest. It was indeed an unique experience to visit this temple, and we felt fortunate to have offered our prayers here. It was now time to move on. The road to the temple is steep and narrow, and you need to be careful while driving vehicles. You can see the beautiful Kaimur plateau from here. It's green and beautiful. We decided to spend some time here as there was space for parking. Look at the splendid valley from here. It's a beautiful view. You can see the village houses, the green valley, the clear sky. It was indeed mesmerizing to watch the Kaimur plateau from here. It was time to move on to the next spot of the day. Our second spot of the day was Karkatgarh Waterfall, which lied at a distance of 35 kilometers from the temple. So we needed to go back to the Bhagwanpur road, from where we took a left turn towards Chainpur road. We had to cross the Jagdahwa Dam to finally reach the gate to Karkatgarh Waterfall, from where we had to take a left turn to finally reach the waterfall, which lies at the border of UP and Bihar. We are on Bhagwanpur road now. It's a beautiful drive through green hills and paddy fields. Kaimur is indeed beautiful. You can see the canal by the side. Vast landscapes of greenery, hills and paddy fields made for a beautiful drive. We are passing through Chainpur now. We are approaching Jagdahwa Dam now. The dam is beautifully surrounded by hills on all sides. We stopped to spend some time here. Little children could be seen bathing and having a good time. You see, it's quite hot and sunny today, humid too. We proceeded further as it was getting late. We were enjoying our drive through greenery and undulating roads. We are now on Kalyanipur Road. We have reached the gate to the Karkatgarh Waterfall, and now we need to take the left turn from the gate. The road is unpaved and the driveway was most uncomfortable. The whole 17 kilometers from here to the falls was a kacha road, and the videography was indeed difficult. We have reached the forest department gate to the falls. We need to purchase the entry ticket. It's 10 rupees per person. Though the road was kacha, the drive was difficult, still the beauty was unparalleled. We drove slowly through the way since the road was not a pakka road. Finally, we reached the gate to the falls at 2:20 p.m. The entry to the falls is through the park and there is ample parking space. The park is quite well decorated and the road to the falls is paved. Well decorated washrooms for men and women but locked. You have to walk about 500 meters to reach the falls side. People were seen enjoying with their kids and family in the park as well as in the falls. Karkatgarh Waterfall is a fall of river Karamchat, which is a tributary of the river Ganges. The site has been beautifully maintained with bamboo railings and shades for visitors. Lots of people were seen bathing in the river water and enjoying the falls, clicking photographs and videos. This waterfall is 300 feet wide and falls from a height of 100 feet. Can you hear the roaring sound of the waterfall? It's massive. The waterfall was in full capacity in this rainy season and magnificent to watch. The milky white waters flowing down the hills was truly awesome. This waterfall is a natural breeding habitat for crocodiles. It used to be a favorite hunting place for the Britishers in the past. This place is now under Kaimur Wildlife Sanctuary since 1979 and hunting is prohibited. Another waterfall seen on the other side of the hill. The surrounding scenery of the falls was truly exceptional. This falls is at the border of Bihar and UP. The government of Bihar has turned this place into a crocodile conservation reserve. We had a wonderful time at the falls and now it was time to go back. This is a selfie point for you to click pictures with family and friends and make memories. Pardon the bad videography here. It was a bad road to drive. The road back from the waterfall remained the same, but you can enjoy the beautiful Kaimur plateau from here. Our last spot of the day was Karamchat Dam. The dam was 70 kilometers from the falls and it would take 2.5 hours. We needed to drive back to the temple, from where we needed to take a right turn to reach Bhagwanpur, continue on Bhabua Road, take a right turn to Karamchat Road to finally reach the dam. We are on Chainpur Road now and it's about 4:20 p.m. already. The beauty of Kaimur Hills and Plateau is truly unbelievable. The all-around greenery truly captivates you. We are at Chainpur village now. Crossing Bhagwanpur now. We are approaching the temple road now, from where we will proceed straight. We are on Bhabua Sagar Road now. You can see Shegun tree, that is Shegun wood, which is used for furniture on both sides of the road. From here we will take a right turn towards Savar Karamchat Road. This road leads to Karamchat Dam. We are passing through Karamchat village. Finally, we have reached Karamchat Dam at 5:30 p.m. It's quite late in the evening, but look how beautiful the place is. Absolutely stunning, picture perfect. The lake with this hill in the backdrop was simply stunning. The crooked shape of the hill made it look more beautiful. The waters of the dam was full. This dam is huge. The height is 46.3 meters and the length is 15 meters. Surrounded by hills on all sides, the dam looked majestic. People were seen enjoying the boat ride on the lake waters. We were late. Tickets were distributed till 5 p.m. only. Charges are ₹50 per person for 20 minutes. So make sure when you visit the dam, you enjoy the boat ride as well as this place. Surrounded by hills on all sides, the dam looked beautiful. This is the ghat side from where you take the boat ride. People were seen waiting for their turn for the boat ride. There were stairs in case he wanted to reach the waters of the dam. The peculiar shape of the hill made it beautiful to watch, and the hill at the background of the dam made the place beautiful. It was getting dark and we started driving towards the other end of the dam. We have reached the lock gates. The total capacity of the dam is 287.7 million cubic meters of water. The foundation stone of this dam was laid in 1976 by the then Agricultural Minister Babu Jagjeevan Ram. The source of water in this dam is the rainwater that gets collected within the Kaimur fields, which includes an area of 627 square kilometers. Work on this dam project was delayed and ultimately it was inaugurated only in October 2014. Fishing was being done here too, and children seemed to enjoy it. Canals have been taken out of the dam on the east and western side for irrigation purposes. The length of the right main canal is 34 kilometers and 22 kilometers on the eastern and the western sides respectively. The canal waters help to irrigate the surrounding areas of Rohtas, Kaimur, Bhagwanpur, Sasaram and others. It was indeed a most beautiful experience at the Karamchat Dam. It was time to head back now as it was getting late. We reached hotel at 8:05 p.m. We headed straight to the restaurant attached with the hotel for dinner. It's called the Moments Restaurant. The ambience of the restaurant was quite good. We were served piping hot chapatis with paneer do pyaza and dal fry, which we had ordered for dinner. Food was super tasty. Charges Rs 562 with taxes. We were upgraded to a suite room today. This is the sitting room arena with sofa, table, TV. This is the bedroom with king size bed. A very big room, well decorated. The upgradation was a generous gesture by the owner of the hotel. The owner was a gentleman and very nice to talk to. There was an attached balcony which I will show you tomorrow in the morning. A very beautiful room indeed. And now I will show you the bathroom as well. So it's a spacious and big bathroom with all amenities provided and central geyser connection. It's been a tiring but beautiful day today. We explored some beautiful places of Kaimur region. We missed one spot today, that is Telhar Kund, because of shortage of time. Bye and take care. Good night.